So why is the European Commission investigating online retail platform Shein? Well, this inquiry is being conducted under what's called the Digital Services Act, which is the EU's set of online safety rules. The investigation will involve Coimisiún Meán, the Irish media regulator, because, no surprise, like so many other tech platforms, Shein has its European headquarters here in Dublin. One of the issues that will be investigated is the sale of illegal products, including childlike sex dolls. Now, this was an issue that was raised with Shein at the end of last year. At the time, the platform said it would stop the sale of such products, but this will form part of this investigation that's been announced today. Other issues that will be investigated will be what the European Commission describes as the addictive nature of the platform, because it says there are rewards and points, things that are designed to keep you on the platform. It will also look at the recommender systems, the algorithms that serve up recommendations and promote certain products to users. From its perspective, Shein says it takes its obligations towards the Digital Services Act very, very seriously. It says it has always cooperated with the European Commission and that it will continue to cooperate in this case. Shein also insisting that it has introduced many safety measures over the last few months, including when it comes to the protection of younger users on its platform.